person like me this much.
I'm gonna kill everyone you love, and they'll blame you because nobody else can see me.
I can see you because I am incredibly wasted. Hey, only my childhood imaginary friend can save me now. Sergeant Sausage, you came! I love you!
Rachel, you must understand the thankless role of the imaginary friend. When the child matures, you cease to exist.
I don't take orders from a hot dog.
Uh-oh. No! Cut slits in me first!
Rachel, you have to go. I can turn you into the worst thing you can imagine. Your mother.
No! You'll be sorry, Lisa! I'm the truest friend you've ever had!
I'll have friends in college, and you'll be married to a dentist.
We'll spend every vacation with my parents.
You think your dad will pay for college? Now who's imagining this?
And now it's time